77 for Chinese Taipei, White T. Ridge.
On your mark.
We've got the juniors racing at the moment. Very soon afterwards we'll be having the under-23s women.
The atmosphere is present and now must be absolutely
That is the usual suspects. Then the next victor on two. Onto the blue carpet with Andreas from Norway. Then the Benfic Tuan, another Norwegian. Two Norwegians there, Tyler Smith, Vasco Vilasa, Simon Westermann, Switzerland, James Chandler. For Great Britain, James McQueen, USA, and Sandro Raymond. Your top line within 4 seconds. They're on to the line. Here we go, they're running. And now out there leading on the first half of the ride. So coming in the next lap there, Marco Giesel from Great Britain, from Germany, Helmut Hall, from España, Olga and Garcia.
I mean, I really wanted to turn around from last year's poor result in Cozumel and managed to execute the processes, and everything worked out for me well on the day. And you know, it's been a 12-month preparation for me. You know, a few little setbacks, but it's been a great year all round. And to have 2 world titles now with a mixed team relay is unbelievable.
There were some good runners on the second pack that couldn't get up with us because, yeah, we got a big gap there because of the technical course, and of course that helped us. But yeah, it was really hard for all of the athletes. So many corners, and it's raining a lot, so really hard bike today.
It was tough out there, very tough, and I kind of just had to give everything I could. And yeah, Vasco and Matti, they were just incredibly strong and just couldn't quite close the gap. And yeah, I'm quite happy with it, and I would have liked to improve on last year's performance, but I mean, to go away with another bronze medal, I'm over the moon really, so I can't complain with that at all.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and congratulations to Al Bronze, Ben Dextra, Al Silva, Vasco Vilasa, and your